Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am here with someone special, someone we all been waiting for. He's a little wet. We just had our first bath because he got a little odor to him. So we want to get that off of him before he's sunken in pores. I might have to blow dry him, honestly, because on a cool setting, of course, because he's still wet. And he was so fluffy. But y'all will see him. This is our first 24 hours together. He's such a cutie. His name is Supreme. He is a Maltese and a Shih Tzu mix. He like, these people is torturing me day one. But it's okay. This is life now. Just gotta learn to adjust. It's okay. You're okay. Look at him. Look at that boy. I'm gonna let him dry some more. Hopefully he uses the bathroom because he hasn't used the bathroom yet. And I'll be back. Okay, Preemie boy is in the cave, sound asleep. We done wore him out tonight. He still hasn't used the bathroom though. He'll definitely have to use it in the morning for sure. Bath took him over the edge. He could not handle it. Good night. Good morning, y'all. Our boy had a good first night in his crate. No crying. We gave him a bath. He loved. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Yeah, come here, come here. The teeth sharp. He loved the blow dryer. That put him right to sleep. He did pee in the cage, but he poopy outside. He poopy outside. I have this like red mat in his crate and it has peanut butter on it. Can you get off the camera, boy? And he loves that. I'm trying to get him used to being in the crate all the time. Well, not used to it, but like knowing the crate is a safe place and a fun place. It's not just a place of punishment, you know. Trying to get him used to that. I wanna play. Look at the cutie. Oh, that's my boy. I'm already like wanna groom him. When did y'all groom y'all puppies? When's the first time y'all took them to the groomers? Let me know in the comments because I'm thinking about it already. You like camera? You like the camera? You like the camera? Good boy. Potty. That's a potty. What's he doing? Good job. Good job. Potty outside.